Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve question number 4 from the exercise 2.3. This exercise is under CBSE Standard 7 syllabus. So the question number 4 says which is greater, and they have given us two different terms, that 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So here two different terms are there. Those terms we have to solve it first and then we will compare. So let us start solving them first. So this is 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. So here of means we have to change it with multiplication sign. So 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. Both fraction are in multiplication. So now followed by simple multiplication, that 2 into 3 divided by 7 into 4. Now at the same time we have to check that whether can we reduce these terms or not. So yes, we can reduce this. 2 2s are 4. So the answer we are getting here is 3 divided by 14. So this we are getting from this term. Now let us take the second term, that 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Same way we will solve this, that first we will write the multiplication sign at the place of. Now simple multiplication, that 3 into 5 divided by 5 into 8. Let us see that if we can reduce here anything. So 5 ones are 5. So here remaining term is 3 divided by 8. Now we have to compare 3 divided by 14 and 3 divided by 8. But we can only compare when their denominators are equal. So to make denominators equal, we have to do LCM. We have to take LCM. So here 14 is the first number and second number is 8. Let us take LCM for these two numbers. So here we will get 2. So 7 2s are 14 and here we will get 4. So again we will take 7 because it is a prime number. So 1 and then remaining is 4. So here I can take 4 also, or we will just write here 2. So 2, 1, 2, again 2 we will take and we will get 1, 1. So our LCM will be 2 into 7 into 2 into 2. So the answer is 2 7s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 28 2s are 56. So 56 is our LCM. Now we have to convert this both the denominator to 56. So let us check that what multiple we will multiply above and below so that we can make this multiple 56. So 14 4s are, we will get 56, and here 8 into 7 we will get 56. So let us convert both this term. So first term is 3 into 4 divided by 14 into 4. So we will get here 12 divided by 56. Now what about the second term? That 3 into 7 divided by 8 into 7. So we will get here 21 divided by 56. So these two are our final answers, that 12 divided by 56 and 21 divided by 56. So now let us compare them. So after comparing them, we will get that 21 divided by 56 is greater than 12 divided by 56. Now 21 is the second term, this term. So second term is greater than the first term. So the second term is 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. That is how we will answer this question. That first we will solve them, then we will take the LCM, then we will convert them into the same denominators, take their LCM, and then we will compare them. And in turn our answer is this term is greater than this term.